Welcome to this tutorial on how to deposit a check with Chase Bank. Depositing a check is a straightforward process that can be done online or in person. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to deposit a check using Chase QuickDeposit. To get started, you will need to have a Chase checking or savings account and be enrolled in Chase Online Banking. If you are not already enrolled, you can sign up on the Chase website. First, make sure you have a check that is eligible for deposit. Most personal and business checks can be deposited using Chase QuickDeposit. However, there may be some restrictions on certain types of checks, such as international checks or checks over a certain amount. To deposit a check online, log into your Chase Online Banking account and navigate to the Deposit Checks page. Select the account you want to deposit the check into and enter the check amount. You will then be prompted to take a photo of the front and back of the check using your smartphone or tablet. When taking the photo, make sure the check is placed on a flat surface and is well lit. The check should be endorsed with your signature and the words "for deposit only." This ensures that the check can only be deposited into your account. Once you have taken the photos, review them to make sure they are clear and legible. If the photos are not clear, you may need to retake them. After you have confirmed that the photos are acceptable, submit the deposit. You will receive an email confirmation of the deposit, and the funds will be available in your account according to Chase's funds availability policy. It is essential to note that Chase may place a hold on the deposit if the check is over a certain amount or if there are any issues with the check. In addition to depositing checks online, you can also deposit checks at a Chase ATM or in person at a Chase branch. To deposit a check at an ATM, simply insert your card, select the deposit option, and follow the prompts. To deposit a check in person, bring the check to a Chase branch and give it to a bank representative. Best practices for depositing checks include making sure the check is endorsed correctly, taking clear photos of the check, and reviewing the deposit to ensure it is accurate. It is also a good idea to keep a record of the check, including the check number and amount, in case there are any issues with the deposit. In conclusion, depositing a check with Chase Bank is a simple and convenient process that can be done online or in person. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can quickly and easily deposit checks into your Chase account. Remember to always follow best practices and review your deposits to ensure accuracy and avoid any issues.